Ever dreamed of launching a real multiplayer strategy game but felt overwhelmed by networking code? This asset is your shortcut to shipping something polished and playable. It comes with a complete 35-mission campaign mode and an adjustable AI skirmish mode out of the box. You can tweak maps, missions, and the state system without touching a line of core code. It's production-ready and optimized for low-latency multiplayer using Photon Fusion 2. Setup is surprisingly smooth. The architecture is modular, so you can reskin the entire game or add new levels in an afternoon. Great for prototyping fast or shipping a full title without the usual networking headaches. While it's brand new with no ratings yet, the developer Final Boss has a solid reputation for clean, documented code. You can also test the playable WebGL demo right now to see it in action before you commit. The only catch is that real-time strategy games demand heavier networking than smaller genres. You'll need to be mindful of your network budget, but the asset already includes optimized data handling to help you stay performant. At $499.50, that works out to roughly $14 per mission template. For a full multiplayer framework, that's a steal. Grab the link in the description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Building a fantasy RPG means tons of characters and armor sets. This bundle gives you a complete collection so you can skip months of modeling and jump straight to gameplay. You get multiple stylized character models along with matching armor pieces, all rigged and ready for Unity. Mix and match armor parts to create unique looks for each class. The modular design fits perfectly into any fantasy pipeline. Every asset is already set up with prefabs and materials, so you can drag and drop into your scene. The stylized aesthetic works great for both mobile and PC projects, giving you that charming fantasy look without heavy poly counts. It holds a perfect 5-star rating from one reviewer who praised the clean rigging. With that pedigree, you know you're getting quality that won't break your project. The bundle focuses on one art style, so if you need hyper-realistic or pixel art characters, you'll need a different collection. But for a stylized fantasy world, this covers everything. Priced at $200, you skip roughly 40 hours of hand modeling individual armor sets. Time-saved ROI is real here. Click the link to add it to your library. Underwater levels are notoriously hard to populate, but this bundle drops 15 unique, fully animated sea creatures into your project. Instant ocean life. Each creature comes with custom animations from piranhas to megalodons. They're rigged and include modular materials, so you can tweak colors and scales without touching the mesh. The pack covers predators, reef fish, and even a shrimp. Setup is a breeze, thanks to ready-to-use prefabs and support for all render pipelines. You can adjust the color palette using the master material, great for keeping your art style consistent across different biomes. Although it's new and has no ratings yet, the asset comes from a publisher with a growing catalog of stylized packs. Early adopters often get the best value before prices rise. The creatures are stylized, so if you need photorealistic fish, this isn't the pack. But for a vibrant, cartoony ocean, they'll look fantastic and perform well on mobile. At $150, that's only $10 per creature. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. Check the link and fill your seas today. Finding authentic WWII weapon sounds is a pain. You either record your own or settle for generic pops. This package delivers over 900 firing sounds from 36 iconic guns. Each weapon has multi-layer sounds, close, far, and a smooth looping fire sequence that avoids repetition. You also get 530 casing sounds, plus a multi-stage reload system that syncs with animations. Pure realism. The system uses optimized audio pooling for stable performance, even during huge multiplayer firefights. It also includes built-in post-processing like EQ, reverb, and delay, so your battlefield feels alive without extra work. No ratings yet, but the publisher SoundFX Studio has a track record of high-quality audio assets. The preview video on the store page lets you hear every weapon, and it sounds incredible. The pack is focused entirely on WWII, so if you need modern or sci-fi guns, you'll need another source. But for historical shooters, this is the most complete solution available. Costing $135, that's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Seriously, grab this, your players will hear the difference. Link below. If you use Game Creator 2, you know how powerful visual scripting can be. This bundle adds all the official expansions, including Editor Pro and Inventory Extended, plus every future update. You get a huge library of new instructions, conditions, and properties that plug directly into your visual scripting graph. Inventory Extended alone adds full inventory management with stacking, crafting, and equipment. Editor Pro makes your editor much faster to navigate. The best part, future assets are included at no extra cost. The developer full screen actively adds features based on user requests. You buy once, and your toolkit grows forever. Rated 5 stars by a buyer who called it exceptional value. They specifically praised the developer's responsiveness in implementing requested features. That kind of support is gold. You must own Game Creator 2 to use these assets. They're dependencies, not standalone. But if you're already a user, this is a no-brainer upgrade. Marked down to $115. If one client project uses even the inventory system, you've paid it off 100 times over. Smart business ROI right there. Link in description. Starting a new project from scratch every time is exhausting. This bundle hands you 60 different game templates across 7 genres, so you can prototype or ship in days instead of months. You get complete projects for puzzle, casual, retro, survival, platformer, adventure, and simulation games. Each comes with its own mechanics, UI, and often multiple levels. It's like having a library of jump-off points for any idea. Setup is straightforward. Pick a template, open it in Unity, and start adding your own art and logic. The code is well structured, so you can easily combine mechanics from different templates to create something new. With 16 reviews and a perfect 5-star average, buyers love the sheer quantity and quality. Many call it a fantastic learning resource for new devs too. The templates are relatively simple. They're meant as foundations, not polished releases. You'll want to invest time in art and polish before shipping, but as a starting point, the value is insane. At $114.50, that's just under $2 per game template. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Click the link to browse. Hand placing every dungeon tile is tedious. This asset gives you a modular dungeon system so you can assemble complex underground levels in minutes, not hours. It includes a massive set of modular rooms, corridors, doors, traps, and lighting fixtures. Everything snaps together easily, and the prefab system makes it simple to iterate on layout. You can build anything from a crypt to a goblin warren. The materials are set up with realistic stone and dungeon vibes, but you can recolor them with a few clicks. It's also optimized for performance, so you can fill large maps without tanking your frame rate. Rated 4.25 stars from 4 reviews, with consistent praise for the modular system and ease of use. It's a solid, proven asset. The art style is dark fantasy, so it won't fit every world, but for any grim or medieval dungeon, it's spot on. Also, you'll need to add your own gameplay triggers. It's purely environment. Just $100, compared to what freelancers charge for a single custom dungeon set. This is a bargain. The link is waiting for you. Building a fantasy world takes thousands of assets. This bundle drops over 2,500 models onto your hard drive, from farms to alchemy labs to battle gear. You get crafting stations, laboratory equipment, stylized nature, and vibrant battle assets. Buildings even have enterable interiors with removable parts for customization. It's a complete world-building toolkit. Everything shares the same Atlas texture and master material, so you can tweak the entire bundle's look in one place. Organized prefabs and demo scenes mean you'll be placing villages within an hour of importing. As a new release, there are no reviews yet, but the first volume was highly popular. The quality of the models and attention to modular design speaks for itself in the store previews. The low-poly stylized art style won't fit realistic games. Also, with so many assets, you'll need to spend a bit of time organizing your project to avoid clutter. But the included docs help. Priced at $100, that's about 4 cents per model. Absurd value. For less than a cheap lunch, you get an entire fantasy world. Link below. Creating a photorealistic outdoor scene from scratch can take weeks. This package gives you a fully built mountain valley with vegetation, water, and lighting, just one click away. The scene includes high-quality terrain, layered with trees, rocks, grass, and a reflective lake. All materials are set up for optimal visual quality, and the lighting is pre-baked to look stunning out of the box. You get multiple camera angles and pre-placed objects so you can use it as a backdrop, a cinematic environment, or a game level. It's also modular, so you can remove or add elements without breaking the look. Rated 5 stars by 2 buyers who love the polish and ease of use. The screenshots on the store page speak for themselves. It's beautiful. This is a single scene, not a procedural generator. For varied levels, you'd need multiple scenes or modify it, but as a starting point or a hero location, it's perfect. At $99.98, it's cheaper than hiring a freelance environment artist for an hour. Business ROI is instant. Check it out. Nature scenes can feel samey if you reuse the same trees and rocks. This bundle gives you several distinct worlds with unique vegetation, terrain, and atmosphere. You get completed scenes like forests, grasslands, and mountain passes, each with custom terrain textures, foliage, and even weather effects. Everything is optimized for performance while looking lush. The assets are fully modular. You can pick pieces from each world and combine them. The included scripts for wind and ambient movement bring the environments to life with minimal setup. With 9 reviews and a strong 4.78 average, buyers consistently praise the quality and variety. It's a community favorite for nature environments. The bundle focuses on natural landscapes, so you won't find urban or fantasy elements here. For pure outdoor nature, though, it's one of the best values on the store. At $99.75, that's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and it gives you entire worlds to explore. Grab it, you deserve a shortcut. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.